established. I'm gonna put my phone on. Do not disturb. There we go. All right. Now with that being established, we're gonna install Windows. So basically, with my situation, you can either install Wine, sudo app, install Wine, like the drink. It's gonna install. It's not an emulator. What it is a binary code where it allows you to run Windows apps on your Linux machine. But in my case, if you want to run all of them, install a virtual machine. So with my certain computer, I have Windows. You're gonna run through the installation. Hopefully you had your virtual machines from when you did the last one. Here we go. So in my situation, I already have it. So I'm gonna press power. Vmware is gonna cut on. I'm gonna exit out of that. I'm gonna move this over. It's gonna bring up the Windows. Boot. Isn't that so nice? You did all this on an Acer? Yes, I did. It's gonna bring up Windows. Now you're gonna normally go into the Windows installation like you would do the other stuff. You're gonna erase all of the other disks when you install it. You're gonna accept and do everything. I already have it installed, so all I'm gonna do is just boot it up and let it do its thing. We'll be right back. So when you install the guest editions, that's for VirtualBox. But once you install the VMware tools, the screen is gonna get big like it just did now. And it's booting, it's gonna load. We're gonna give it a few seconds and we're gonna let it do its thing. So I'll be right back. Alright, we got the please wait going. Isn't that so awesome? Check that out. It's so awesome. Alright, so the mouse is gonna appear. Gonna click on that. And yes, it can be slow like the regular system if it was actually installed on the system. We're gonna give it some time. It's gonna boot up and then you're gonna log in. I'll be right back. Alright, after you put in the password, it's gonna boot in. And we just wait a few seconds. And it's gonna start up and it's gonna boot up and go to the screen. Alright. To find your shared folders, you're gonna go down to the network tab and you're gonna keep clicking. It's gonna have whatever you named your shared folder. And then when you're done, you can just shut it down by pressing and coming up here. On virtual machine, you're gonna press power and you're just gonna shut down and it's gonna shut your machine down. So that's all that is to it. And I prefer doing a virtual machine, especially VMware, because the copy and paste and share folders are a lot better. VirtualBox is cool, but you might have issues with the copy and paste and the shared folders. And KVM, QEMU is cool too, but if you're not really tech savvy, you might want to avoid that, especially with the performance if you don't have enough RAM to perform, and especially on a low-end machine. Alright.